Samsung Biologics SCMO is a dedicated business unit within Samsung Biologics, offering mammalian cell-based antibody production services to global clients with the need to manufacture at a smaller quantity. We aim to be the most agile partner for your success, from clinical to commercial manufacturing.
With the growing demand of early-phase clinical manufacturing as a result of the increased number of small biotech companies and candidate molecules, Samsung Biologics expanded our business scope with small-scale cGMP manufacturing services at 1,000-liter scale and below. We call it SCMO.
Leveraging Samsung Biologics' strength in delivery of reliable and quality drug substance and drug product, as well as successful inspection history, SCMO can produce your drug substance at a scale that fits your needs, from early-phase clinical to commercial. Located in Asia's largest biomanufacturing hub, Samsung Biologics neighbors global biopharma suppliers, as well as an international airport, to ensure that your product can always be delivered safely, on time, with minimal disruption in the supply chain. Our SCMO facility consists of both single-use and stainless steel manufacturing platforms, ready to provide tailored services and flexible solutions. They are designed to allow for seamless transfer from development stage, as well as swift scale-up to larger-scale facilities. Operational from June 2020, the single-use manufacturing platform can support your early-phase pipelines and reach the market faster in a cost-effective manner. This state-of-the-art facility, composed of two 1,000-liter bioreactors, accommodate a variety of process designs and is able to implement changes with higher flexibility and agility. Operational since 2016, the stainless steel manufacturing platform also consists of two bioreactors of 1,000 liters, with upstream designed at a 1:5 ratio, and downstream process harmonized with our 5,000 liters and 15,000-liter bioreactors. This facility allows for rapid scale-up to other larger-scale facilities at Samsung Biologics.
It is not always easy to predict market demand before product launch. During the initial product launch phase, when the required product needs are small, clients can use our SCMO facility. Once they have a better idea of how commercial demand will increase with added indications, clients have the option to move their product to Samsung's larger scale production plant, where they can take full advantage of manufacturing at economies of scale.
We are continually investing to upgrade and expand our lines to facilitate varying needs of our clients. Our employees are always focused on manufacturing your product to the highest quality. With flexibility and agility, our dedicated team at SCMO will serve as the stepping stone in helping our global clients in the mission to bring about better life with Samsung Biologics.